If you plan on pleading guilty in Texas, if that's what you're thinking you want to do, you really need to hire a lawyer and get a lawyer before you go into court, or at least talk to a lawyer before you go to court. And the reason is that pleading guilty is or can result in that offense being on your record for the rest of your life. And very often there are defenses to the case. There's ways to get a case thrown out that you're not aware of, and that it really takes a lawyer with experience to look at to determine, is there a way to get this case thrown out? Is there a way to avoid a conviction? And even if there is no way to get the case thrown out, it may be possible to plead no contest, which will eliminate the risk or reduce the risk of getting sued as a result of your conduct. And also there are different types of pleas. There's different types of plea bargains. There's pretrial diversion that's available in some cases that allow you to avoid a conviction and will allow the case to be expunged. There's deferred, which is a type of probation that you avoid a conviction. It's still on, there's still a record out there, but you are not convicted and you can state that you've never been convicted. And then there's probation, and then there's jail. The real problem with representing yourself in a plea of guilty is any conversations you have with a prosecutor or the judge can be used against you in that proceeding or in other proceedings. So if you start a discussion with a prosecutor, the prosecutor really doesn't have any obligation to tell you that you really shouldn't plead guilty because you do have defenses, there's a way to get out of this. It really takes a lawyer with experience to look at a file to determine what's in your best interest.